Everyone, Extreme Crypto here with our monthly update on CopyProTraders. How did it go this month? Was there any gains? Who did perform? Who did not? But before we get to that, make sure to like this channel, subscribe to the Telegram broadcast channel to get the latest updates. We'll be looking at why CopyProTraders, the accumulated profits, the average percentage per trade, closed trades, open trades, and the dollar return on certain trade sizes. So why CopyProTraders? Well, CopyProTraders works from API keys, meaning you're connecting your exchange to the CopyProTraders network. Every time a trader puts in a trade, it mimics the trade on your side. Every time a trader closes a trade, it mimics the trade and closes on your side. If you don't like the trade, you can go and close it. If you think there's enough profit and the trader hasn't closed the trade, you can go and close it. The main reason is your funds is safe. Your funds stays in your account, meaning you have access to your funds 24/7. This puts you in full control of your funds. You decide how you want to use it, when you want to use it, and you're not waiting for a promise to pay. CopyProTraders saw 4 traders: Carlo Cruz, Doa, Jonathan Lee, and Extreme Crypto. Looking at accumulated profits for the month of February, Carlo 290%, Doa 177%, Jonathan 563%, Extreme 1118%. Now this is all the profits counted all together in percentages from each closed trade. Currently the traders has closed 125 trades by Carlos February, 32 trades by Doa, 124 trades by Jonathan, and Extreme has closed 120 trades in February. Looking at their current open trades, Carlo has 281 open trades, Doa 223, Jonathan 264 open trades, and Extreme is sitting on 183 open trades. So the profit returns from each trader using an account of $5,000, $50,000, or $500,000. So if he traded a $5,000 account with $30 trades, you would have made $87 profit with Carlo. If you traded with $3,000 on a $500,000 account, you would have made $8,700. Looking at Doa, you would have made $53, $530, $5,300, depending on your account size and your trade size. Looking at Jonathan, $168, $1,680, or $16,800. Also depending on your account size and your trade size. Looking at Extreme, $335 on a $5,000 account if you traded $30 trades, and $33,500 on a $500,000 account trading $3,000 trades. This is all estimated, and past results don't guarantee future results. The markets are choppy and not easy to trade in, but we've seen good results from everyone. Leave your thoughts and concerns down below, and the links will be there as well. Have a great one as we take on March.